my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing the
Yoga Challenge Part 10
extreme version. We're going to be doing the extreme yoga challenge. I've already done one yoga challenge on my channel, so if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys...
You've already done it.
Well, me and her. So if you guys haven't seen that, then make sure to go ahead and check that out. And now we're doing another one because you guys really seem to like it. So
And we're cool.
We're giving you guys what you want. But this time we're going to go a little harder and do a little bit of extreme yoga.
Okay.
So enough talking. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And make sure to hit that little bell so you get post notifications every time I upload a new video. And go over to my channel and subscribe to me and do everything the same thing that you did for her to me because I need subscribers. Hey guys.
Yeah. So no more talking. Let's just go ahead and do some yoga.
Let's go. So the first pose that we're going to be doing is this one. So John, you can be the guy?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to be this one. That's doing that kind of little like Superman pose, and she's going to kind of like tug.
Okay, so which way should we do it for the camera? Let's see. Should we do it long this way or this way? This way, huh?
Go.
I don't feel like we're long enough. You can't hold on to it.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, let's do it this way.
Okay.
But just don't fall into the camera. So wait, put your leg up, and then I'm basically going like this. So I think that's it. I don't know if it's even that hard. That was it. We nailed position number 1.
Okay. Position number impossible.
Which one is it? Oh, that one. That's position number 2. So we have to do headstands. And I don't know how to do headstands.
Wait, hold on. Tell me if I'm doing it right, okay?
Hopefully we don't break our necks. That's all I gotta say.
So we have to go.
So basically just get on your head.
I can't do that.
I don't think I can get on my head either. Let me see.
It would put way too much pressure. Okay, you try. Because I don't like that pressure on my head.
I feel like I'm gonna snap my neck.
Yeah.
No. Try it like that. We can do it like that. Yeah, do it like that. Put just one leg up in the air and then kind of bounce it off.
Ready, one?
Wait, hold on. How do we position our legs though?
We kind of connect our legs like.
Okay, let's see.
One.
Wait, come over more so you can get in the camera. Okay, there.
1, 2.
Okay, wait. Put one of our legs up together.
Yeah, face this one or this one.
Okay, let me see it. Okay, I don't know how to do this one. Let me look at the photo again. No, we put both of the same feet together.
We do?
Yeah. So I'm going to extend this foot and you keep it bent in.
Okay.
So I'm going to extend mine all the way. Okay, now 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
I can't get up. I can't lift my own body weight.
1, 2, 3.
Ow, you just kicked me in the ass.
I can't do it either.
Okay, one more try.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You suck, Chad.
Oh, okay.
I need a new yoga partner. Comment down below if you guys want to be my new yoga partner. Because she's not very good at this. I can see.
This is the next one.
Let me see. Oh, you be the one that has your head on the floor.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, so one of us has...
Let's go.
Okay, we'll come over more this way. And let me bend the camera down so they can see us.
Ready?
Let me bend you guys down to the flow. How low can you go? Okay, wait. Okay, you can stay like this. Okay, now give me your arms. Put your arms.
Go!
I think I gotta get on your feet.
Go!
It's basically... Oh, wait, no, let's back up so they can see us. Okay, come. Go.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
You have to leave.
Okay, wait, scoop over there more.
Where are you expecting me to go, lady?
Okay. Now go. Put your arms out. Put your arms out. We gotta connect arms. Oh, it's just like this. That is so easy. Okay, let's switch roles. My turn to do it like that.
Good. Perfect. Push your legs back.
Go. Like this? Ah!
Okay, give me a hand.
Wait, I gotta put them down.
And push the floor.
Okay, you're hitting me in the brain. I gotta separate my legs. Okay, pose is done. We finished. Ow. She's scary at this time. She's too rough. She's way too rough for this.
Okay.
Oh, hell no. Who chose that one?
Yeah.
Who chose these poses, you guys?
Okay.
I was thinking you could be the top one.
Do you want me to break my back, lady?
Okay, let's see.
Just because you got scoliosis doesn't mean I need to get it too.
Okay, so basically I'm
ready?
I'm Supermaning you. Okay, but literally don't fall on me.
Let's
Okay.
go.
So arch your back. No, the other way, the other way. You have to be ow! Ow! But
Ow!
you have to be long ways. So your feet are over here. I'm gonna put 2 legs up instead of 1 because I don't know how these do. Okay, wait, hold on.
Ready?
Hold on. Okay, wait, hold on.
3,
Okay. Grab my arm. That
2,
arm. Wait, no, that arm that's up. Wait! Give me the arm that's up.
Ready?
So give me that arm.
3,
So lean it back.
2.
I'm gonna break the wall. Try it one more time.
No.
One more time.
No.
Try it one more time. I think I can get it this time. I'm pretty sure I can do it this time. Okay. Arm. Oh my god, we did it. You guys saw that. I think I broke my rib. You literally broke my rib. Oh. One more time. That was actually fun. Let me do that one again. Let me do that one again. That one was fun.
I think a piece of my back impaled my stomach.
Shut up. One more time. That one was fun. That one was fun.
I'm hemorrhaging. I have an internal bleed.
Shut up. Come on.
Let's go.
Ow! Wait, give me your back, okay? Oh my god! It fell literally right on top of me. Okay, I'm pretty sure we nailed that one. So on to the next dance move. Or I mean yoga move.
You can dance if you want.
We're dancing. Dance party A. Which one haven't we done? Oh, that one. That one's easy. I'm gonna be able to carry you like nothing.
Okay. So you gotta go like this.
Okay, let me tilt the camera up for this one. You guys need to be tilted a little upwards. Wait, I need to see the picture. So basically, I need your legs.
Just turn down. Turn down for what? Let's go.
I need your. How am I gonna get your legs? Oh, do a handstand. Yeah, do a handstand.
Okay, well you gotta go first.
What do you mean? I'm just standing.
No, go first. And then I'll handstand onto you. You have to like slightly curve. No, not that much. Like that.
But you're the wrong way. You're the back of your head. You need a handstand the other way.
What? So, okay then.
Give me your leg. Give me your leg. I almost got it. Wait, come on. Pick up your leg.
I
Put
can't.
it down. Okay, let me just pick you up. Handstand, and I'll pick you. Okay, chill. Damn. You almost knocked me out with those tree trunks. Let arms down. Put your arms.
You're going to get me.
Okay then. Okay. Go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Go. She's gonna end up putting a freaking hole in the wall. Come on.
Laugh. I just entered a new world.
Let's go. Ah! Okay, come on.
Why are you
Jess, you suck. You can't do a handstand? Okay, your turn. I'm gonna do a handstand and show you how to do it.
No. Get out of here. Get back here with the clapping cheeks.
Oh my god,
That was your fault.
That was my fault.
Come
I
on.
was busy staring at myself. Okay, one more time.
I was busy staring at myself.
Ow! Go, hurry.
You sat on my head.
I almost gave birth to her head.
You need a curve, lady.
Your legs weren't up high enough.
Get your ass out of the way. Come on, lady.
Let me do the handstand. I
Geraldine!
want to do the handstand.
Geraldine, move like she's all like.
I think you're the one doing it wrong. Okay, let me do the handstand. how are you doing the handstand? Like this? I
Yeah.
don't know how to do a handstand.
Can't you support your big ass legs?
Okay, yeah, never mind. That one was a fail.
No. This is what you're doing. Hold on, stand right here. This is what you did. You pushed me back with your ass.
I was saying, woo! Okay, next move. Next move. Next move.
The last move.
Supersonic funky fresh.
This is the last one.
This is the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's easy.
We should make up more after this like we did in the last one. Okay, so I'll do the little triangle. You can do the little L pose.
Okay, yeah, you do triangle.
Let's go.
No, you're not even in the frame. You're gonna do it like this. This way. Ow.
Let's go.
Wait, I forgot. You stay there.
Do the L.
I forgot what I was supposed to
Take the L.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my feet on your butt. Okay, scoot more this way so I can fit in the frame. There you go.
Go. Okay,
We
trade.
did it!
Wait, trade spots.
Oh yeah. I wanna see you 1, 2 step. Go. What are you doing?
Oh, it's this way?
Yes. Ow! Oh my god. My legs are heavy. Woo! Ow!
Okay.
We did that one. So we actually aced
We should make it more.
like all of them.
So we need a bigger
Let's
challenge.
do Superman for you. Let's do
No.
Superman.
No.
Come on, Superman.
Ready? Let's go!
Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Yeah!
Ow!
Wait, ready, Caroline? How far back can your legs go?
Not that. Oh wait, no, we missed one. You little liar.
What?
The one where we bend our legs.
What? Which one?
We missed one.
Which one?
The one where you said it was impossible. That one.
We did that one.
No, we didn't.
We did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing this one.
We already did that one.
How do I show it? Okay, we're just doing that one.
Okay. Okay, so this is kind of like basic gist of what we're doing here. Here we go.
Yeah, you guys can see it. You guys get the idea. We're gonna be showing you anyways, so.
So that's what we're doing.
Let me see it.
Okay.
So basically, we're just stretching our legs. No, do it this way.
Let's go.
Hey, this way. It's basically who.
Not do that.
She almost hit her head on
You
the
were all
ground.
like.
I was like, whoop. Okay. Give me your arms. Jess, you're pushing me. Okay, let's stretch that.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess that was what we did.
Lay down.
Ooh.
How far can your legs go?
What? I just hit you in the head. Or, let's see, let me go farther away. Okay, so you guys put your legs like this, like underneath you, and you guys gotta like swing into it and go, ooh, hey!
Ha!
Whatever, I can do it.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to leave
Leave
a
a comment from me
and comment
saying
down
that you
below.
love me.
Comment down below which pose was your favorite, who did it better.
Me.
Comment down below. Thank
Me.
you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this
To my channel.
Bye, guys.